Welcome and thank you for watching. This is Yielding Better Results with V. Kizzy, the channel where we explore, we discuss and apply practical biblical principles for better experiences and results. Now in this video, I am sharing with you 3 lessons learned in 2024 that I'm carrying over into 2025. And these lessons are in no particular order. Number 1, no matter the age of your children, they need a parent first and a friend second. Do not get this order wrong, because you can cause unintentional harm if you do. And take it from me, because I'm speaking from experience. In mid-2023, my negligence almost cost my daughter her life. But glory be to God. Thank God for his goodness and his mercies, and that mercy trumps judgment every day, any day. So what I'm saying is that our children's teenage years are a time of exploration. And we as parents need to remember to stand firm as parents even while they are going through those years of exploration. We need to stay in our role as disciplinarians. We need to stay in our role as advisors, but we are never to step out of that role and become friends while they are going through that process of exploration. So, what am I doing differently going into 2025? Well, I am adhering to the book of Proverbs. I am going to discipline my children so that I may have peace. I am going to discipline my children so that they can have hope and not walk into debt. It may sound kind of raw, but seriously. So here are 2 scriptures that I want to share with you, 2 Proverbs that speak to disciplining our children. Proverbs 29:17 reads, "Discipline your children, and they will give you peace. They will bring you the delight you desire." Proverbs 19:18 reads, "Discipline your children, for in that there is hope. Do not be a willing party to their debt." So, number 1, no matter the age of your children, they need a parent first and a friend second. Number 2, don't wait for someone else to pray for you and your family. That is your responsibility. It is your responsibility to develop a relationship with God through prayer. And let me tell you why. No one else can petition God with as much emotion, sincerity, truth, and even desperation like you can. And similarly, when you have your breakthrough, no one can come and give God thanks and appreciation like you can. You are the one that experienced that, and you are the one that would need to go and give praise and thanks. And no one can do that with as much honesty as you can. So you are responsible for establishing a relationship with your Heavenly Father through prayer. And I know for some people, it may seem intimidating, or it may seem like something abstract, like, like how do you say you have a relationship with God? Well, it is something that is quite simple, really, because what you need to do is have a conversation. Have a conversation. God, men may talk about, she songs, what's the word I'm looking for? She may not be she doesn't song articulate. She doesn't articulate herself well, or she's not enunciating, or whatever other judgment men may do. But if you go to your Heavenly Father, he's looking at the heart. He's looking at the sincerity. So all you need to do is to go to him and you ask for what you want. If what you want is to establish a relationship with him, then you just speak that to him. Lord, I need your help. I want to establish a relationship with you. I want to do your will. I want to make you proud. I want to get in a relationship with you. Show me how. And I promise you, strange things are going to happen. Someone may bring a book for you on prayer. Someone may gift you with a Bible. Someone may send you a video link or a podcast that speaks particularly to what you ask God for. And from there, you would now have direction as to how to establish that relationship. So I'm going to do a video really and truly right after this on prayer 101. And I'm sharing with you how I got an answer to my prayer when it came to my daughter's healing. So the video is going to come right after this, but for now I'm just going through my list, so cut. Number 2, don't wait for someone else to pray for you and your family. It's your responsibility. You are responsible for establishing a relationship with God. Number 3, not everyone that's in your circle is in your corner. And that's because many of us share a circle by default. We share a similar faith. We share a similar hobby. We share a similar profession. And as a result, we belong to this circle, but only by default. And here's the thing about default. Default is an option without careful consideration due to a lack of viable alternatives. So it's important for you to know who's in your circle and who's in your corner. And here's a perfect example. Katie Taylor versus Amanda Serrano. These two ladies shared competing objectives, yet still they shared the same circle. Why? Because the love for the same sport, boxing, same circle. They were the same weight category as well as gender, female boxers. They had the same quest, junior welterweight championship, same title, circle. But here's the thing. Not because they shared the same circle, it meant that they were in each other's corner. Not until punches were thrown and they went back to their respective corner, you saw who was in their corners. The people in their corners were providing them with encouragement. They were providing them with pointers as to how to take out the opponent in that same circle. So, what am I saying? I'm saying to you that not everyone that's in your circle is in your corner, and it's important that you recognize who is in your corner and who is in your circle. Here's the recap. Number 1, no matter the age of your children, they need a parent first and a friend second. Number 2, don't wait for someone else to pray for you. It's your responsibility. And number 3, not everyone that's in your circle is in your corner. I thank you for watching, and remember, you are always one step away from yielding better results. Be well.